Yo, that's a boy.
In the vibrant world of media, few relationships capture the essence of love, friendship, and professionalism quite like that of Larry Madowo and Edith Kimani. These two dynamic personalities have not only made waves in journalism but have also cultivated a bond that transcends workplace commemorable. From their early days as colleagues to their shared experiences in the national, international stage, their journey reflects the intricate balance between personal affection and professional respect. As they navigate the challenges and triumphs of their careers, Larry and Edith demonstrate how deep connections can coexist with the demands of their high-profile roles. Larry Madowo and Edith Kimani, both prominent journalists, have been at the center of public speculation regarding their relationship, while neither has officially confirmed nor denied being romantically involved. Their frequent public appearances together and playful interactions have fueled ongoing romance. Public appearances and social media interactions. In December 2024, Madowo and Kimani spent time together at Lake Victoria in Kisumu County. Madowo shared a photo of the two on a boat, captioning it "When you take the daughter of the mountain to the lake," and a video of them dancing to traditional Luo music. Earlier that year, in January 2024, Madowo treated Kimani to a lunch at a kibanda in Mathare, where they enjoyed ugali and fish. The casual outing, shared on social media, garnered attention from fans who speculated about their relationship. In February 2025, a video surfaced showing the two attempting to record a message together. Kimani remarked, "Good people of Larry, please don't poison my page. I'm just but a girl," to which Madowo responded, "You are a pretty girl," further fueling speculations. Public endorsements and reactions. In a notable instance, Kimani responded positively to a fan's comment referring to her as Mrs. Madowo on an Instagram post celebrating her inclusion in the 2024 list of the 100 most influential African women.